Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're having a fantastic day as always. Today I've got a little something different here. This is a unboxing of a 1942 Vaught F4u Corsair. It's a 1/48 scale, and as you can see, the box is a little rough for wear there. I purchased this one off of Temu, whatever you want to call it, and it came completely crushed in a package because they're saving on their shipping, you know. And it was shipped in an envelope, which was not crush proof apparently. But here we go. We're gonna open it up and see what's in there. Ooh, it's a tiny one. Here's the instructions. That's it for the kit, or the box rather. Let's see here. Well, I'll do the decals first because they're right here. They are stars. I don't know if they're showing up on the camera or not. It says W5 or WS right there. I'm not really sure. And skull and crossbones right there. That's kind of cool. Another one there, like a different color variation. Oh, excuse me. 18 for the tail wing. That's about it. Some more of those. Okay. And here's the instructions. This ought to be fun. Oh my gosh. Alright. Well, at least it shows you it's WS. They show you how to put the decals on. That part's in English. And then the build instructions are just some pictures. I have no clue whatsoever on how to put this together. This will be a back burner project, maybe for next winter. It's really cool looking. However, I don't know a thing about airplanes. I bought it because it was on Temu, like I said, and it was a good price. And I wanted to see what kind of quality we were going to get from them. So this will tell me everything right here. Fortunately, it looks like the parts weren't damaged, just the box, so I can live with that. There we go. That's everything. Something feels funny on my bottom finger here. Okay. The tires and the canopy, all intact. That's a good thing. A little scuffed up on the canopy. Let's clean that up a little. But there's the wheels, or tires rather. This is kind of cool, guys. Oh, it's got a really cool feel to it. Man, I don't know what that is. It seems like a harder blend, a harder plastic than styrene, but that's just a guess, okay? I'm assuming these are the wings, the bottoms, and these are probably the tops, or the other way around, I don't know. Part of the cockpit, fuselage area, whatever it's called. This upper and a lower piece, I believe, because it looks like the two wheels are going to come out them holes there. I'm not sure, though. Well, this feels really cool. I really like the feel of that. Alright, that's that. Here we have the nose of the plane. I imagine that's where the engine sits, right? Some of the little wings for the back. I don't know the names of them, so you have to forgive me. You guys are yelling at the screen right now. I can't help it. I don't know a thing about planes. I'm admitting that. But I do like them. They're pretty cool. Here's a big old prop for the front. Very nice. Some controls. Little seat. Wow, this is really tiny. And these little missiles here, it looks like. Ammo. I think these are the landing gear right here by my thumb. Pretty cool. I don't know if these are flotation things or if they're other types of explosives. Pretty cool. And then the main body of the vehicles. That's kind of cool. I really like this one, guys. I'm looking forward to building this. But again, it'll be a while before I put this together. But there's my hand. And that's about the size of the full deal front to back. Of course, the prop, and that'll stick out a little farther. But yeah. And then the wingspan is here. Basically, let's see. I don't know if I can fit that on there. So it's about, again, the same width of my hand. So it's almost square, you know. Alrighty, folks. That's the unboxing on that one. It's kind of a quick one. A little change of pace there just to mix things up a little bit. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. This is Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.